wearing shoes po, pwede na po kayong mag-proceed here in front of next station po.
Dito na, grade 4.
To all students po, after wearing our shoes, please proceed here in front of next station po. Thank you.
Absent.
Hello. So before po tayo mag-proceed here in Summit Space, bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng quick reminders po. First, do not touch our statues po because these statues worth 6 million pesos. Also, no attack inside the red carpet po. So last one po, taking pictures and videos are allowed but not using flash po. So to all students po, please proceed here in my right side and sit down face on Thomas Edison. So to all teachers and parents po, pwede po tayo mag-proceed sa side ni Aisha. So again po, to all students, please proceed here in my right side po and sit down face on Thomas Edison. To all teachers and parents, please proceed on Aisha. Po. Thank you. So sit down na po tayo, students. Some of these discussions po, and after my discussion po, meron po akong mga itatanong po sa inyo. Very good! Nakikinig po siya! Pakipalagpakan po natin.
Every machine here began as an idea someone said, an invention that became part of our lives. Think about how much each machine helped us every day.